Here I have MG MS6 and let me show you how to change language in this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the MG Infotainment system. Let's swipe to the left and here you should find the settings icon. So this is this icon in this corner. Let's just tap it. Now from the settings you need to go to the general tab. So the first tab on the left side, and here you've got language. If you tap the language, you've got access to a whole list of available languages that you can use on this car. Let me scroll down to see all languages that you can use here. Alright, as you can see, it's quite a long list. And that's it. Now, if you would like to change the language, let's choose the desired language. For example, Español. As you can see, you've got here 3 options from España, Chile, or Mexico. Let me choose España, tap OK. And as you can see, after a few seconds, the whole system is in Spanish. Now, if you would like to go back to the English version, choose the idioma del sistema. And here, choose the English and tap OK. So, that's it. As you can see, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.